Hello everyone, here in this video we are going to discuss how to update Android apps using Google Play Store on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. If your Chromebook supports Google Play Store, then you can simply use Google Play Store to install and update your Android application. So I already have a video on how you can enable Google Play Store on your Chromebook. I'll provide the video link in the I button, or you will get the video link in the description box. Now to update your Android application, simply open Google Play Store from the Chromebook itself, or else you can simply click on launcher icon and look for Google Play Store. Simply open it. Then click on your profile icon. Now click on Apps and Games option. Here click on Overview. If there is any update, you'll find the option to update all the application. Simply click on it. Then click on Update All. This will update all your Android application. So wait for the update process to complete. So that's it. This is how you can update Android application on a Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.